Hi, here's a quick video for Project 6. And this Project 6 deals with chi-squared and ANOVA. So you'll have to have completed the homework, the practice problems, and watch the videos to complete this project. The data set for the project, again, is right here. So if I open the project, the first thing it wants me to do is use the class survey and answer the question that it is believed that GHC majors are occurring equally popular. So that means GHC majors occur in the same amount. So using a 0.5 level of significance, should the findings of the class survey support the belief that the GHC majors are equally popular? So I know I've got to use majors. And I know since majors are names like science, biology, nursing, those are qualitative data, which makes this a chi-squared analysis. So what I'm going to do is this. I'm going to go over to the data set and I'm going to do this. What is your major? So they're all mixed up in here, but an easy thing for me to do if you've never used Excel is once you open it, highlight the column. I'm going to go here and highlight it where the C is. I'm going to go here to data set and I'm going to click. Let me show you the A through Z. It's going to put them in order. I'm going to expand the search so I don't mess up my data. It is so important that you do expand the selection, and I click on it. And here's a wonderful thing. I'm going to put this at the top so you can see what I'm going to do. If I click on business administration, down here it tells me, if you see my arrow, count of 6. So I know for business administration, 6 people chose that. Same for communications. There's 3. And you do it all the way down until you get all the majors. So again, that goes for question 1. Question 2 is different. It says, is there a difference between the GPAs based on the top 3 counties of residence? So I'm only wanting the top 3 counties of residence and their GPAs. So I need to do this a little bit different. So remember this first column here, and I'm going to highlight it. I'm going to put it as yellow. That's what I use for problem 1. But for problem 2, I'm going to have to use D and E. And let's put those in orange just so I know they're different, okay? So what I need to do to organize this so I can use it is this. I need to highlight E. I'm going to put this back down here then. And I'm going to go to Data. And then I'm going to do A through Z again, and I'm going to expand the selection, and I hit sort. So what it did over here is it put Bartow in order, Cherokee in order, Cobb, Other, and Paulding. So what I need to do is figure out, again, the counts, kind of like I did here with majors. But once I find the top 3 counties, which means the most people live in those counties, I need to take the GPAs. So for Bartow County, which is one of the top ones, I'll go ahead and tell you that one. I'm going to take this data right here and I'm going to put it in the website or the calculator as Bartow County. So what that means is this is an ANOVA where we're doing separate means, and the means are going to be for the average current GPA. So again, I did it for Bartow, and then you just need to figure out the other 2 top counties. Okay, so I go back here, and once you do that, number 2 wants you to actually give the averages, but if you use the website, it will do that for you. The F value, the P value, your decision, and then write a complete sentence. So again, the first problem is a chi-squared. The second is an ANOVA. And all the data comes from here. Number 1 is using column C. Number 2 is using D and E. I hope that helps. Thanks.